What's up, YouTube? This is a review of the AUG JG Military Edition. For around 180 bucks, you can get this at most websites. First off, metal versus plastic parts. All the green and the clip are made of ABS plastic. Probably the best plastic I've ever seen, though, and that's what the real AUG is made of, so don't bitch. Whole scope assembly, upper receiver barrel are metal. So these screws, sling mounts are metal. They're really nice sling mounts, by the way, too. Okay, I'll start with the clip. It's kind of like an AK and a M4 mixed. You have to get used to it. You have to grab the clip, push up like that on this, then pull it out. But it goes back in like an M4. Just slide it in. Yeah, tie cap. 330 rounds, I think. Trigger's plastic, but not really strong and nice. Like, there's no flimsy plastic parts on this gun. Rubber, fake, ambidextrous thing. Like bullet ejection port. The bolt's really nice. It's pretty hard to pull. I'll show you. Pull all the way back, and see how I go like that? You lock it up there, so you can expose the hop-up chamber on the other side. It's on the right side of the gun, on top of the yellow markings. And to let go of the bolt, you just slap it down. It's awesome. Only wobbly part of the gun is the front grip, but it's not bad. When you got this nice weighted thing on your shoulder, it's actually still nice, because it's easy to, you just pull it down and slide it up if you want to snipe with it. But putting it down like this is more tactical for like assault. Orange flash hider, you probably get a black metal replacement. The scope takes some adjusting. Like, it's not going to come perfect out of the box, but it's really clear, really nice for coming for free on this gun. I mean, you do need to adjust it, though. I say that with great reason. You need to adjust it. It is off. You got these crude ass iron sights on top. They're alright. The upper and lower receiver disassembly button, just push that out, pull the receiver out. It's real easy. That white button right there just means safety. Push it in, one click. The other side, it's red. That means it's fire. And this gun is different from other guns, and I say that because there's no selector switch, but the way you do it is semi is a half pull and full auto is a full pull, and it's not working right now. Hold on. You can just edit this out, right?
Yeah. It's not feeding either.
Yeah, we're done. Come back, I'll throw it up in there.
Alright. And no one binded the clip. Awesome.
Does it shoot full auto? There we go.
Hey!
What, was over talking with Craig?
Winnie died, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, forgot to tell you that last week.
Just wait. Don't shoot the thing. Don't shoot it. Don't shoot it. I said don't shoot it. Alright, I got it. Text me. Whatever. Look how happy he is.
Yay! I took a poop in someone else's yard.
He took a poop in the road.
In the yard. In the road.
Look at his ears. There's a smudge. You get them inside. You get them inside. You had an awesome video until this. We had like 100 retakes. This is the best one.
We had one retake.
You're almost on the video. We're working on it. Entire time we've been here. We worked for like an hour and a half.
Can you just get them inside at least?
I can't use that.
Do it. Whatever. Background noises of everything, we'll just cancel it out.
What?
Background noises of everything, we'll cancel it out.
Okay, so you're going right now?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll just pick up from where we
Wait,
were
wait,
before.
don't put
Will,
it in.
I gotta do the semi versus. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you just...
Okay. And semi versus automatic, just half pull, full pull automatic, half pull, full automatic. Alright, let's get to the shooting review. He's editing all this crap out like this. I'll just shoot.
No.
Fine.
Move up. Here.
You gotta go here then. No, just kneel. It's easier.
Say accuracy from 25 feet, then we'll move back to like 50, then 100.
Okay.
Say we're shooting at a can from about 25 feet.
Okay.
Don't just look at the gun, not me.
Okay, this is accuracy from about 40 feet. If you're wondering why our yard looks like shit, we just had a tropical storm here in Connecticut, and it blows. There's no power. So yeah, this is an aimed from 40 feet. Hit. 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 Full automatic now. Yeah, you can't miss from here.
It's almost fully
Okay.
accurate. Now moving back to 50. That was not from 40 feet, that was probably 25. Alright, this is about 50.
Hold on. I'm just going to show it. Okay, we're not going to show the damage for the last one because obviously they went through the can. But on this can, we're going to have it from 70 feet or 75 feet. And, alright, semi. Winding.
Oh my god, it's windy.
It was hitting the can before, just so you know. It just was hitting it so lightly on the bottom because it's stronger that it was making that dink noise. Automatic now. Yeah, you're not gonna miss him here.
Still pretty accurate. Now moving back to 100. Right here.
It's like 150. Will.
Right here.
That's like 150 feet. It's
From
really.
here, no.
That's like 100, yeah.
30 yards, if anything. Alright, kneel down.
Hold on. Okay, this is from 100 feet, new can. Semi first, then full auto. Hit. 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 Okay, now full auto. And now, just empty the clip. Alright. Okay, so from 100 feet,
Pretty damaged.
hit the bottom sometimes, totally ripped through the can on this side. This is a new can, by the way. We switched it off for the 100. Yeah, it went through there and out this side. This gun is really powerful.
One more. Let's just
And right here we'll just have some point blank magnets for you. Just destroy this can. Alright. Rate, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.